Alright guys, we all know that iShowSpeed is now in China, touring most of the most notable cities in China. So guys, on this episode we focus on Chongqing, China. The moment iShowSpeed said the drone should view the city, it was so amazed. Guys, let's watch.
This is China! Now show the whole city real quick! Zoom out and show the whole city! Go up and show out! Zoom out, show the whole city! Show the whole city! Show the whole city! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Yo! Yo, my god! Crazy! Yo, that was lit! That was lit! Oh my goodness! Yo! WWW! Oh my god, y'all.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Kindly click on that subscribe or follow button so that you won't miss any of our videos. Stay tuned.